मिस्टर राज, कैसे हैं भाई? ठीक हैं आप?
हाँ हाँ, अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
अलैकुम अस्सलाम रहमतुल्लाह। हाउ आर यू?
हाँ, अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह, I'm good, अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह,
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह।
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह। हाँ जी।
बिस्मिल्लाह रहमान रहीम।
बिस्मिल्लाह रहमान।
Allahumma salli wa ala Muhammad. Uh,
जी जनाब।
so I have a question regarding 12 imams specifically. Uh, so why are they so praised in Shia Islam? Uh,
What's there? The
like the
question?
12 imams.
What about them?
Uh, why are they so praised in Shia Islam? The
Why
12
they're so
imams.
praised? Because Allah and Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam praised them. So we do not make up any praise. If anybody fabricates anything in favor of the holy Imams alayhim salatu wassalam, that's a lie. That's rejected. And we consider that blasphemy. Only those attributes that have come in Quran and Sunnah about the 12 Imams alayhim salatu wassalam, we value them and we submit to them and we agree to them. So why there are immense praises of the Imams alayhim salatu wassalam in Shia religion? Because Allah in Quran and Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam in the ahadith have profusely praised the holy Imams alayhim salam, that they have the same station, the same position as the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The same way that it is obligatory to follow and obey and submit to the authority of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Likewise, the same submission and surrender and obedience must go to the 12 Imams alayhim salam. The same knowledge, the unlimited, infinite knowledge that Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam carried, the same knowledge the 12 Imams alayhim salam possess. Infallibility and being the cream of the crop, in all of creation, to be the pinnacle of all good virtues. So, as the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam was, Ahlul Bayt alayhim salam share the same position, same values. And now these things are not made up. So in very short, brief words, I mentioned a lot of things if you pay attention to my words. So none of these are made up. Many myriads of ahadith denote the same meaning, inshallah. If time comes, if I start my lectures in English, then I'll read some of those hadith to you. Okay?
Mhm.
Yeah.
So I understand about the Sunni and Shia
Uh-huh.
division. Obviously due to a political
You
difference.
in New York, do you
Um,
go to you go to Shia Mosque or you don't? Do you go to Al Khouy Center?
uh, yeah, like a random center. So I
Okay.
understand about the political difference, but why do both sects have different wudu's and namas and nikahs and all that? Like, why
So
is that specifically considered the hadiths or anything like
yeah,
that?
absolutely, because the Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam did not appoint Sahaba as guides after him. Sahaba were just the regular people, everybody who were Muslim
Mm,
in Saudi Arabia. It was not Saudi Arabia back then, but Hijaz and Najd. They were all Sahaba.
mm,
So Sahaba were not considered by the Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam, was not appointed as the authority to follow after him. Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam authorized whom? Ahlul Bayt alayhim salam as authorities to be followed after him as guides. So we Shia follow Ahlul Bayt alayhim salam. Umaris, they follow Sahaba. So obviously, Sahaba have changed all the rulings of the Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and it's mentioned in Bukhari on the authority of Anas ibn Malik and Abu Darda that even at that time Sahaba were complaining that all rules of Islam have been changed by Sahaba themselves. Okay, okay, Raj, you're not asking
mm,
any question about Marja'iyah. You like
mm.
Maraja? Are you in love with Maraja or you're not?
Well, I'm not really
No,
exactly
very good.
sure.
Okay, we are on the same boat. Thank you.